Once again, guys, she's Hemlata Pariwal, and very happy to have with us, the very renowned stylist, designer from our very own Bollywood fashion industry. And she's the one who also designed beautiful attires for Ankita Lokhande for Big Boss. And here at our Designers of India Forum 2K24, we are truly thankful to have the very beautiful, gorgeous, and the numero uno, Hemlata. Thank you.
Thank you so much for introducing me with amazing line of introduction. But yes, I love curating look in first place. I have an eye for fancy things. I always term everything, oh, I love fancy. So yes, um, from this event, I have realized that there's so much uh, fashion and jewelry industry can go learn and grow depending on each other for every look. And from this event, I take this experience that yes, I should attend more events, get to know more people, get understand that there's so much more in jewelry industry we stylists should take from and incorporate in our styling.
So basically, I'm a fashion designer and a stylist, celebrity stylist, and I'm happy that Shrishti Sharma from DOI has invited me in this beautiful forum. And this is my second season with them as a designer. So we are providing nice, beautiful bridal jewelry in ivory, red, and black collection, which will be highlighted by the jewelry designers of the DOI. Done? Thank you.
So, so I'm Vishnu. I'm creative head at Popley Eternal. So I was invited as a panelist for this event, and I thank Shrushti ji for calling me here and what she's doing for the industry and for the designers. I'm very happy. I wish all the designers all the best, all the very best for their future, and hope to see all the designers very soon, and hope to meet everyone at such event, many more events. Yeah, thank you so much.
अभी सबसे अच्छा टाइम ये कि आफ्टर अगस्त टोटल सीजन स्टार्ट हो जाता है डोमेस्टिक मार्केट पूरा, क्योंकि अभी सबसे ज़्यादा वेडिंग्स अभी स्टार्ट हो जाती है सितंबर से लेके मार्च तक कंटिन्यू वेडिंग सीजन रहता है इंडिया में। और अभी रिसेंट जो सबसे बड़ा धमाका हुआ है अंबानी शादी का, उसमें काफ़ी ट्रेंड ज्वेलरी का वापस लोगों के पास आया, वेरी गुड क्वालिटी, द एमरल्ड, पोल्की एंड डायमंड ज्वेलरी काफ़ी ट्रेंड मार्केट में आया, एक ट्रेंड सेट हो गया है मार्केट के अंदर। और सेकंड चीज़ है, जैसे आज हम लोग सुबह से DOI का सुबह से हम लोग इवेंट अटेंड कर रहे हैं, डिफरेंट लोगों से मिलना हुआ, उनसे एक मोटा एक ब्रीफ आया है कि ज्वेलरी आफ्टर अगस्त, मतलब जब ये सीज़न ओपन होगा तो काफ़ी वंडरफुल होगा। नए चैलेंजेज हैं मार्केट के, डिज़ाइनिंग पैटर्न चेंज हुआ है और लोगों की रिक्वायरमेंट चेंज हुई है, लेकिन ज्वेलरी में हम लोग बहुत एडवांस हैं और उनकी रिक्वायर के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग पूरा प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं। और IIJS अभी आने वाला है, जो हमारा सबसे बड़ा शो होता है पूरे ईयर का। उस शो के अंदर हम लोग पूरी रेंज लेके आ रहे हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप की रेंज, और हम लोग वहाँ हाईलाइट करेंगे, शोकेसेस करेंगे हमारी ज्वेलरी। और आई होप ये ईयर बहुत अच्छा जाना चाहिए, यही हमारी उम्मीद है। और DOI ने जिस तरह से इस इनिशिएटिव लिया है और पर्टिकुलर एक अलग प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिया में क्रिएट करा हुआ है, इसलिए मैं थैंक यू बोलूँगा उनको। और ये प्लेटफॉर्म को बहुत आगे लेके जाएं और हम इसको कैसे स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकते हैं उसके लिए हम पूरी मेहनत करेंगे और हम सपोर्ट करेंगे। थैंक यू।
For the last 4-5 years, and we are happy to be associated with DOI and JDC Jewelry Council, Domestic Council, and we have been with a lot of new designs, and we have experienced about how these designers work with, and we have found that new designers have come into this industry, and the industry is growing, and we feel that new designers who are coming from different institutions after graduation of designing code to come up into the jewelry industry to support the retail jewelry industry with more designs and more support from all the wholesalers and manufacturers. So we wish all the best, and we are waiting for this award function, and we have finished with DOI forum, and we wish all best to all the participants who have taken part in this award function, and wishing all the best. Thank you.
Yes, yes. Right. This is Sumesh Vadera, the chief editor of the Art of Jewelry, India's leading jewelry trade magazine. The fifth edition of the DOI forum has started very well. We had two very important panel discussions. We had eminent jewelry retailers from all over India who have come. And also with the launch of Jewelry Design Council, it is giving a very unique platform to the jewelry designers to connect with the manufacturers, retailers, launch their own products and become a successful entrepreneur. As you know, jewelry industry is very large in India. We have more than 5 lakh retailers, and all the designs which comes to the retail shops have some role with the designers, then it goes to manufacturing. So with this we hope the quality of designs will improve and the designers will get their much needed platform and much needed voice to come together. Our best wishes to the designers of India. Thank you.
Delighted to receive compliments from our very own renowned designers and stylists. And that is just because of your jewelry.
And as all the stylists say, it also makes a world of a difference when you carry it off really well. Because you can make someone wear a great piece of jewelry, but if they're not able to carry it off with confidence, it has no meaning whatsoever. So thank you as well for doing a fantastic job. Really appreciate it.
Humble thanks to you with folded hands. Please kindly join us here and tell us a little bit about, what is really trending as far as the jewelry is concerned. And we all are believing at the same time living in this world of AI. Everything really changes. So how is it that you cope with everything, and a little bit about it? How does it feel being a part of DOI?
So, multiple questions there. So, question to answer number one, in terms of what I think is trending, I think what's trending today is mainly individuality. Everyone wants a unique piece of jewelry. No one wants to look like the next person or wear what the next person is wearing. So I think that, in my opinion, is trending the most. In terms of artificial intelligence, I think it's an unknown horse at this time. I think it will come in and help designers even more. I don't think it's going to get rid of designers, but I think it'll enhance what designers are already doing. In terms of association with DOI, I mean, it's been a pleasure and privilege to be part of it from day one. And I urge the retailers, the chain stores, the designers, everyone to come and be part of this, because there's an insane amount of learning that's passed on, just meeting people of the industry and talking more about business and problems and even wins and losses. I think a lot of people get to learn from that. So it's been a true pleasure. And thank you, DOI, thank you, Simran, and just thanks to the entire fraternity. Thank you very much.
Sahil Doshi ji is here with us, and please kindly join us here. I need to have a picture with you, and I
Sure,
need to thank
please.
you for the beautiful ivory rose. Feeling as we have NCA who's joined us here all the way from Turkey. She's a very renowned jewelry designer and is associated with Designers of India. As we all know that Shrishti has this passion about jewelry, and she makes sure that we all connect together, everyone from all across the world, because it's all about we coming together to give that beautiful jewelry, to give that beautiful statement piece to every individual for a remembrance forever. So thank you to Shrishti, thank you NCA for joining us here.
Thank you so
Salam,
much.
Assalamu alaikum, and shukran for being here with us. This is a very beautiful feeling. As we all know, we need to consider a lot of aspects जब jewelry designing की बात आती है, जो सृष्टि से ज़्यादा कौन जान सकता है. मैंने सब उन्हीं से सीखा है. So हमारे cultures बहुत similar है, especially the Persian culture. As far as spiritualistic and spiritualism is concerned, belief in Sufism is concerned. So it is a very beautiful and wonderful feeling. Thank you for joining us here. You just want to say hello to everyone? Say hello.
Hello.
Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. I'm going to ask Shrishti. Shrishti, we have here at our beautiful forum and awards night of DOI. We have, it's just season 5, and we have designers from all across the world. How is it possible? How do you make it possible year after year to be, absolutely and explore and go ahead and give this opportunity to everyone, please?
सिमरन तुमने वो कहावत सुनी है
हाँ. कौन सी कहावत?
कि अगर आप दिल से कुछ भी करते हो तो कायनात भी
जुड़ जाती
आपके
है.
साथ जुड़ जाती है
बिल्कुल.
मेरे साथ सेम वही चीज़ हुई है सो व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड दिस प्लेटफॉर्म बिलीव मी आई डोंट नो हाउ आई एम हियर इट्स लाइक यूनिवर्स दैट्स इट दिस इज माय स्टोरी.
I've seen her. Shrishti न सिर्फ दिल से काम करती है, but she works with her soul. You're a soulful Shrishti Sharma. SSS you should be. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
NCA. Thank you so much. She's NCA. इनका फोटो ले लीजिए. सृष्टि आपके दोनों का फोटो आओ. Take their pictures. I'll do that. Yeah. Thank you to our friends from the media. I'm so overwhelmed to be here at our season 5 of the Designers of India Forum, Designers of India Awards, and Designers of India Fashion, founded by a very magnificent and the woman of substance, Shruti Sharma. Shruti has been in the jewelry sector for the past 23 years, and what she has created is absolutely, for the very first time in our country, India. We're truly proud of her, and of course you'll get to hear from Shruti. Shruti, tell us a little bit about, this is season 5 Designers of India, and we are here at Hotel Taj, Santa Cruz.
Yes.
What do you like to say to our friends from the media? The world is watching us today.
Yeah. So actually, I'm so grateful that all the dignitaries are there, all big brands are here to support designers. I have got this platform called Designers of India, founded in 2018. And I want to encourage and collaborate with designers where I can, actually it's, ये हो जाए, okay. So I want to support designers, jewelry designers and designers to get their sustainable growth in our industry. This is my mission and vision. Thank you.
जा रहे हैं आप सबके. Thank you आदित्य. है ना, ये एक ही साथ हो जाएगा.
Yes. Hi, I'm Jia Bhagia. I am the fashion stylist in Bollywood for films and web series. And it was really, I'm really glad to be a part of this event, as I have learned that how we can incorporate jewelry first into the costumes and how we can collaborate with jewelry more and more and make our outfits more prettier. And thank you.